Introducing Ring Smart Lighting. A range of motion-activated outdoor lights to suit any home. Intelligent lighting that's easy to install and simple to use. Connected lights that talk to one another. Motion-activated and there when you need them.
Alexa, turn on the backyard lights.
Ring Smart Lights create a ring of convenience, control, and security. Whether you're home or away, Ring Smart Lights work with Ring cameras to notify you whenever motion is detected. Manage all your devices and monitor your home through the Ring app,
Honey, what's Grant doing outside?
so you always know what's going on.
What are you doing out here, huh?
Ring, always home. Ring makes simple ways to protect and watch over your home, because safer homes mean safer neighborhoods. Introducing Stick-Up Cam by Ring, a next-generation indoor-outdoor security camera that keeps you connected to your home and family.
Hey, Dad. Hey, honey. Remember, Eli's recital's at 7.
I'll be there.
Motion-activated notifications alert you to the things you need to know.
Can I help you?
Stick-Up Cam keeps an eye on things when you're not there and gives you peace of mind when you are. Combine Stick-Up Cam with your Ring alarm and other Ring cameras to create a complete ring of security around your home. Stick-Up Cam works seamlessly with your Amazon Echo devices,
Alexa, show me the pool.
so you can be doing anything while still keeping an eye on everything. Stick-Up Cam is available in wired, power over Ethernet, solar, and battery options, making it easy to install in any home. So get smart about your home security with the easy-to-use, anywhere, anytime Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Traditional home security hasn't changed in years. Ring Alarm is a whole new way of looking at security. Ring Alarm is designed to be simple to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require professional installation. Professional monitoring means there's someone on call with 24/7 protection, and 911 response is right at your fingertips. Keep crime out and peace of mind within. There's no better way to protect your home than with Ring Alarm.
This video will show you how to install Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Complete the installation before going through the in-app setup process. The first thing you need to do is take off the removable faceplate. If it doesn't come off easily, hold the device on either end and push through the middle to remove the faceplate. Shut off the power to your doorbell at the breaker, then remove your existing doorbell. Hold your Ring doorbell in place over the existing wires. Mark the 2 holes on the top and bottom. If you're installing your Ring doorbell on a masonry surface, like brick or concrete, you'll need to drill holes for the provided anchors. If you're installing on wood or siding, you don't need to use the anchors and can skip this next part. Once your holes are drilled, insert the included anchors. You should be able to just push them into place, but you can hammer them in if necessary. Now you're ready to connect the wires. Take the wires coming out of your wall and wrap them around the 2 screws on the back of your Ring doorbell. If you're having trouble connecting your existing wiring to the back of your Ring doorbell, that's what the extra wires that we've provided are for. To use them, carefully remove the screws on the back of your Ring doorbell, then reinsert them into the Ring end of the provided wires and reattach them. You can now connect these wires to the wires from your wall using the provided connectors. It doesn't matter which wire goes to which screw, as long as both wires have a good connection to the screws and the wires aren't touching one another. Then feed all the wiring into the hole on your wall until the back of your Ring doorbell sits flush against the wall. Use the Phillips head side of your Ring screwdriver and the provided screws to secure your Ring doorbell to the wall. Now you'll need to go inside your home and install the Pro Power Kit on your existing internal doorbell. The Pro Power Kit ensures that enough power is sent to your Ring doorbell. If you were lucky enough to get one of the first Pro Power Kits, it'll look like this. It's exactly the same part and is completely harmless, It just doesn't have a pretty plastic enclosure. Make sure power to your doorbell is still switched off at the breaker. Then locate your internal doorbell and remove the cover. Next, attach the wire harness to the Pro Power Kit, making sure it snaps into place. Look for 2 wires on your doorbell kit. If there are more than 2, look for a wire labeled front and one labeled transformer. Loosen the screw on the front terminal and remove the wire. Then connect this wire to the wire on the Pro Power Kit using one of the supplied gray and orange wire clips. To open the wire clip, lift the orange levers all the way up. Yes, you will feel like you're going to break them. The connector is open when the orange lever is at a 90-degree angle. Insert the wire you just removed from your doorbell into the open hole in the connector. Then snap the orange lever down to secure the wire in the connector. Then secure the black wire from the Pro Power Kit in the other hole in the connector. Finally, take the other end of this wire and connect it to the front terminal on your doorbell and tighten the screw. Now repeat this process for the other wire on the Pro Power Kit and the transformer wire on your doorbell. The finished wiring configuration should look like this. The final step is to secure the Pro Power Kit. We've included some double-sided foam adhesive that you can use to secure the Pro Power Kit if necessary. The trick here is to put it anywhere it'll fit. If you have a mechanical doorbell, like this one, make sure not to put the kit anywhere where it'll get in the way of the moving parts inside your doorbell. If the Pro Power Kit doesn't fit inside your doorbell, you can also attach it to the wall next to your doorbell, like this. Finally, replace the cover on your doorbell. Congratulations! The hard part is over. Now turn the power to your doorbell back on at the breaker. The front of your doorbell should light up, and your Ring doorbell should begin speaking to you. Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. It can take a moment for your doorbell to power on after first connecting it, so if it doesn't light up right away, give it a couple minutes. Before replacing the removable faceplate, continue with the in-app instructions to connect your Ring doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. After completing the in-app setup of your Ring Video Doorbell Pro, install the faceplate on your device. Select any of the 4 that came in the packaging and simply place it over your Ring doorbell. You may feel a slight click. Then take one of the security screws that came in the packaging and using the star-shaped end of your Ring screwdriver, screw it into the hole on the bottom of your Ring doorbell. The faceplate and your Ring doorbell should now be secured. If you ever need to remove the faceplate or want to replace it with another color, first carefully remove the security screw, then remove the faceplate like this. If you need additional help, feel free to reach out to our support team or visit ring.com/help. With Ring, you're always home.